I just want to thank my family, and I want to thank my dog. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I did this Louise Valentine's Day inspired look. Basically, I just like looked at a post of theirs. I'll put it up on the screen right now. I looked at a post of theirs and I was like, oh, that's so pretty. Of course, I used different colors. However, I wanted to try and recreate it, Louise, do the makeup Louise style, but as a Valentine's Day look. So if you guys wear this out or anything, just tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is at Jonay, Jonaayy. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I get this look, just keep on watching. I'm going to start by taking my Studio Pro Base Cosmetics Total Coverage Concealer in the shade 121. And I'm just going to clean up my brow with it. Even though I didn't add any product, you want to clean it up because that gives you the shape. And I'm just going to take this flat brush. It doesn't have a name because it's a paintbrush. Also, I have a mirror right here. Honestly, with this part, you want to be taking your time, achieve that Louise bushy brow. As you can see, I filled in my brow right here, but if you don't want to fill in your brow, you don't have to. Louise don't really fill in their brows that much, but me, I need to fill it in. I'm not bald, but I feel like I don't look right without it. So I think this shape is exactly like my other one. So next, I'll be taking the e.l.f. Lock-in Liner Brow Gel in the shade Medium Brown and just an angle brush. And me personally, I like to wipe it off at the top, on the top, and then slowly start filling in my brows. I think this brow is really good. So to set it, I just used the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel. As you can see, most of this stuff, everything I'm using is very cheap. You don't need to use expensive stuff to get the same kind of look. And I just go, since this one barely has anything in it, I just go in and out. And you just want to brush all your hairs up. So instead of leaving them up, you want to dip back in there and just, you want to leave them up, but at the same time at like an angle. But after that, I'm going to take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Deep Dark 52 and prime with this at the center of my eyelid and like where I put the concealer at to clean up my brow. You don't need to add a lot, like this much is enough. And I pat it out using the e.l.f. foundation brush. I don't have the Louise base. I wish I did, but I should have spent my money on that instead of buying ceramics, but I don't think. Okay, take the ColourPop E1 brush. E1? E9. The ColourPop E9 brush. It looks like this. It's just like a small taper brush. And we're going to take the Morphe 35B. If you don't have this palette, don't trip. If you have a Sister James palette, just use that, or any colorful palette, use that. And we're going to take an orange shade. So you want to make sure all your creases blend out. No creasing. Okay, say it with me now. No creasing. So honestly, it's been a minute. I'm just going to take the orange and just start patting it. Starting at the outer part and going at the, starting a circle shape in my crease. But honestly, it's been a minute since I filmed a YouTube video. Not like a YouTube video, but you know, like a makeup tutorial. I don't want to say I don't know why, but I know why, because I've been very, not unmotivated, because I film YouTube videos. It just, when it comes to filming makeup videos, I've just been really like uninspired. After watching Nikki Tutorial's video today, oh, not today, but yesterday, with the girl Abby, I forgot her name, but she did a very good job doing Nikki Tutorial's makeup. It was really good. I was like, wow. I want to pack it on so it's pigmented. I was just really uninspired for a minute. Like, the last thing I posted on my Instagram was like, I don't even remember. It's been a minute since I uploaded a tutorial. It's been a minute since I posted on my Instagram, my makeup Instagram. I've been so uninspired, and usually when I do my makeup, it's not worth putting on my Instagram because I want to be more creative. That's also in my New Year's resolution, to be more creative. And I think doing this out really helped me, bring me back, like really show me why much. It really showed me like what I've been missing out on. Like, it's not like I suck at makeup, because I really don't. It's just like, with school and everything, I don't want to use school as an excuse, but since today I got a good grade on this summative I did, I think I deserve a little break and do something that I really like to do, because I used to really do makeup looks like all the time, every single day or something. But I don't know what changed it. Like, I just got so unmotivated and uninspired. But I like makeup accounts on my Instagram, and I'd be like, oh, that looks so cute. I'd be like, oh, I want to recreate this, and never recreate it, because I just don't be feeling, come actually doing it, I just don't be feeling like it. My favorite part of makeup has always been the eyes. Ever since I learned how to do makeup, ever since I told myself how to do makeup, I always love the eyeshadow. What's in my eye? What the heck? But every time I do my makeup, like if I'm going out with my friends, I always do the same eyeshadow look, because it's something that, not saying that it's basic, but like it's easy just to do, basically. Like an inspiration, make sure you guys check out Louise. They are so good. Their makeup is so bomb, and it's just, if you guys don't know who they are, y'all need to check them out. Louise Academy, check them out on YouTube. Amazing. That's why I'm so happy. I try to so basically, I didn't even explain what I'm doing. Basically, I'm just trying to recreate one of their looks, but in the Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day Louise inspired eyeshadow look. And now I'm gonna take this pink. This pink shade is like a staple for this look. So we're gonna take the same brush. See, on a budget. I mean, I got a bunch of other brushes, but I love the ColourPop brushes. If you guys never tried the ColourPop brushes, I think you guys should invest. So I take up some product and just do the exact same thing. But you want to take your time. Don't be rushing this, because blending, eye makeup take the longest for a reason, guys. Y'all really need to blend. And I'm just patting it on there. Literally anybody can do this. Like during the summer, I kept back to back doing looks, even though nobody even watched my looks. But I just doing them because I like this so much. Just doing them, I like doing it. After your eye look like you just got pink eye or whatever on your eyelid or whatever, you want to cut the crease. ColourPop No Filter Concealer again, Deep Dark 52. You guys never tried this? You need to get on there, because this concealer is thebomb.com. It's so good, and $6, you can't beat that price. $6. It comes with a lot of products. Amazing. It's my favorite concealer ever, actually. Well, I use 2 brushes for this. I use the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I just take the concealer and place it on there. First stamp down in the middle of my eye, like closer, just to see how much product I got on there, and then start tapping it out. Then I start adding more and going closer. I like the crease part. I like to take the same flat brush I use for my eyebrows and go in with the concealer to make it more sharp. So you want to do a half cut crease, and where I messed up at, I'm just gonna take the same kind of brush and try to lightly go over top of that. This pencil brush, I'm just taking this one, just a regular pencil brush, and take the same pink shade and stamp it at like the lower outer part and blend it into you, and also stamp it into where you had the original pink, but do it like an angle. Here. And spray my brush. And you want to pat, okay? Pat. I repeat, P-A-T, pat. Like Patrick. You want to pat it on your lid. Reddish, pinkish, orangish shade, shimmer. And tap it over top of the whole thing. that changed that boring pink into a more lively pink. Then you want to spray your brush again. Not adding any more product, just go over the entire thing. Pressing. If you have a very tiny brush, you can just use that. But I'll be using my applicator from the NYX white eyeshadow. It's just a small one. And I'm gonna put some more of the concealer, the ColourPop one, on the back of my hand. Do eyeliner with it. So basically use the concealer to sketch the eyeliner. I want to do a thick wing because this one got tiny. As you guys can see, this one is really small, but this, you want to start off thick. This eyeliner brush from e.l.f. looks like this. Shade right here. We're gonna start off this at the tail. We're gonna take the orange shade from earlier and just stamp it on the tail. I'm gonna take the pink shade. A smaller brush, we're using the e.l.f. concealer brush. We're gonna take that same shade and place it over top of the orange. And clean it up. Of course, with the concealer, you can make it longer. As you see, I'm not creasing at all on the lid. Usually, I would have been creasing by now, but I'm not. From earlier, and the ColourPop E9 also over top of it. I'm gonna take the Ultra Glitter Primer. It costs $1 more than the NYX one. This NYX glitter in the shade Crystal. It's the holographic one. Dump it out on a paper towel so it make less of a mess. It's easier to throw away. And just do like the inner part of my crease. Just gonna pick up some glitter and tap it on there a little bit at a time. And spread it out evenly. Prime that. I never primed the lower lash line. This is only my second time doing this, so wish me luck. I'm just gonna put some concealer a little bit here in the same pink shade. Just put that underneath. Using the Mink Lily Lashes in Miami. Sorry guys, I know. Mink, I know, I'm so sorry. So this is the end turnout. What do you guys think? Louise lashes are way more out there than these ones in my opinion, but I think these ones did a good job. I'm trying to be up to par, but I really love the way my face makeup came out. I really love the way the whole thing came out. I will be doing an updated face routine. Just wait on it. I'm sorry it's taking so long. I don't know. But yeah, this is the end of the video. If you guys like this look, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.